First twist, hold it, and it's going. So what I like to do is get a rhythm going. Doing this crochet method, do it very gently. You don't have to do it fast, because if you do it too hard, you most definitely will poke yourself. But I just find getting a rhythm, getting your new growth in each one, taking your time. And like I said, you guys, I interlock as well as crochet. I do all different methods because my new growth grows outside my lock. Okay, y'all, all the hair is in. And a quick tip I want to tell y'all, make sure you twist the root ever so tightly. Hold the lock like this in your hand, and then go in and get a rhythm going. And think about pulling that hair through that lock and just keep going, keep going, keep going. I didn't understand that when I first was learning how to do it. You just got to take this and get a rhythm. Just feel it. And don't cut yourself. I mean, don't poke yourself. You're not going fast like that. Just take it, roll it in there, and roll it in there. And then you turn it around tightly. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't play with stuff like it was in my ear. I don't know what that was. Take it around tightly and then do it again, okay? And then my luck is I'm about to do these other two, because my back row be acting crazy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get in the mirror, I'm gonna check the parts, do the same exact thing to these three back here, okay? Things, guys, is the best. I'm gonna show you the bottom Amazon. They are better than clips. See, they can't keep that hair right out of my way. So I'm telling you guys, they are the best. I'm gonna buy me some more too. I'm gonna include them so you guys can try them. They come in different colors. I got blue and I got red, okay? And make sure, guys, when you're doing it, put it directly in the middle of the actual part, like where the section is. Put it right in the middle, and then go on and do your crochet. And make sure you do it dry. Always do it dry. Grab it. See, like that. Grab it real tight. And you see all that loose hair? You're gonna get that in there. Put it directly in the middle, and just go in and get your rhythm. In and out. And you're doing an in and out motion, but you're making sure that hair is going in that lock, okay? You're not just going in and out, like you're making sure that hair is going inside of that lock. And you kind of squeezing your hands a little bit, squeezing these a little bit as you're doing it. So go up a little bit, and it's kind of, let me scoop this up. Be quiet, just do it. See? You see how that hair goes inside of there? And again, just give it a good twist right in the middle. You want to keep your lock right in the middle, not on the side. Keep it right in the middle. Okay? And hopefully that helped you. Go ahead and subscribe for more. If this video is helping you, please make sure you put AV below. Okay? Bye, guys. Okay, guys, that hair is all back in there. See that? See that? Sometimes, guys, you have to just go in and crochet. I crochet, I interlock, I retwist, whatever it takes to get that hair, because my new growth grows outside of my lock. So anytime it's like that, you always got to make sure you put it back in there. Okay? Bye. If that helped you, let me know. Okay, guys, so I decided to braid my locks. When I say I love braiding my locks, you guys have to try that. And this is a picture of me unbraiding it. So try it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.